Good morning, everybody. Today I want to share with you a little nature's craft that you can do to help take care of the birds during the winter season while they are outside in the elements and looking for food in any place that they can. This is basically like a little offering to nature. It's a great craft to do with your children or your grandchildren, and it is a way to help and extend your gratitude for nature to the wild birds that are outside during the harsh winter season. We really enjoy watching them during the spring, summer, and fall season, and so therefore it's a great way to thank them by helping to feed them during the cold times. So I didn't know, that sounds probably really funny, but if you're like me and you're filled with gratitude for the little things in life, this is a great way to be able to give back to them. Anyhow, what you see before you is a package that is tied with some string, and inside it is some bird seed. And then right here, these are some baskets that I crafted out of lemons. So basically all I did was I cut my lemon in half, scooped out all the pulp and used it in cooking and or salad dressing or iced tea. You can use it for whatever you want to use your fresh lemon for. And then you take a toothpick and poke holes on either side of the lemon at the top, but leaving a little bit of room so it doesn't break through, that you can tie a string inside, as you can see, and you knot it. See the little knots right there. And then you hang it up to dry, and then after it is dried, you are left with actually a little basket. And this is what it looks like. Then you can take it outside, hang it on a branch, or on a shepherd's hook, or anywhere you have a place to hang something, and fill it with your bird seed, and then you have your little offering for the birds. You can continue to fill it through the winter if you'd like, and it is a great way, as I said, to be able to give back to nature and help the birds